Ya sanibona, uma ngabe umuntu ongayithandi indaba zabantu ungahlali kule video, kanti-ke futhi uma ngawuthanda ukulalela abanye abantu bekhuluma ngey'ndaba zabantu ungahlali kule video. Ninake abanye ake sikhulume ngey'ndaba zama-celebrities. So uJub Jub, the musician, was arrested over the weekend. Okay. At the same time, last week, OMT got arrested and he got bail. Sizokhuluma ngokuthi yini le yenza ukuthi ama-celebrities aze aboshwe. Okay. Ake siqale ngoJub Jub. So uJub Jub bathi uxabane no-driver we-e-hailing taxi service, meaning ukuthi Uber or Bolt. Into eyenzekile ukuthi kufike imoto ilethe intombi kaJub Jub la khona kuhlala khona uJub Jub. uJub Jub-ke ube eseba nento yokuthi engazi ukuthi intombi yakhe iyathandana nalo driver lo we-Uber or Bolt or Lyft or whatever service it was. Okay, ube esephuthuma-ke eyoconfronta udriver, yabo, shuthe eyobuza ukuthi ene ufunani entombini yami. Amadoda ayathanda uku-act ngathi awayenzi leyo nto. Lento eyenziwa abantu besifazane ukuthi stay away from my man. Nabo bayasho ukuthi stay away from my woman. We just don't have it in the recording, you understand. So ke uJub Jub bese yahamba-ke waya ku sizothi Uber driver ngoba kulula ukusho kanjalo, waya ku Uber driver wafika wathi lalela la, stay away from my woman. Kwaba ne-confrontation back and forth. Uber driver ethi hayibo mina ngazi lutho your woman, mina nje I'm just dropping off your woman. Uyabona, uJub Jub bese ngena emotweni kanti-ke bathi ubephethe-ke inkahlankahla la yesiqhumane sesibhamu. Uyabona leyo nto. Kuthiwa-ke ubese ngene emotweni-ke, nkathi engene emotweni phela uphethe isibhamu. Uyabona leyo nto. Obviously sekuyi-kidnapping leyo. Uyayibona. So uphethe isibhamu lana kuthiwa waqhumisa isibhamu towards i-direction ka-driver. Somehow udriver wavika waphuma emotweni wabaleka waze wayofika e-police station. Mayefika e-police station udriver waseyabika ukuthi hayibo naku sengicishe ngibulawa uJub Jub. Kwathiwa usho muphi uJub Jub? Wathi lo Jub Jub, the Jub Jub. Wathiwa ngikhokhele usho lo? Wathi yes, that one has just tried to kill me. Amaphoyisa akayithatha serious lento, athatha statement ithi ahamba yakathi. Afika lapho vele kwisini, afika vele athola lokho vele abevele kubheka ke basebethi ozankosi bathi izandla ngemuva. Hawu ke base bemfundela kama Miranda rights akho uJub Jub zase ziyasha-ke seziyi-police station. Uyabona leyo nto. Kuthiwa kuJub Jub kuzovela-ke enkantolo-ke ngicathi namhlanje ukuthi phela-ke nje uyabo ayobingelela imanje ukuthi sawubona baba manje hayi sisazokwazana nje for isikhashana esithe kuba sidana mhlawumbe-ke a-aplayele nebhili. Mina nginokubona engathi uJub Jub akayanga olwandle ukuyogeza. Ubone abantu uma engabe uphuma ejele-ke kuthi uhambe olwandle uyogeza negezi nasekhaya kuhlala kwenziwa iy'nkuku ey'thile. Mina ngibona ngathi ngoba nje ijele uJub Jub liyamufuna shame. Nini uJub Jub kade accused of RAPE, accused of assault. Yabo, wahamba nje court impela, wahamba azoyinikela emaphoyiseni, wa-attend i-court kwathiwa hayi evidence ayitholakalanga. Naku-ke futhi manje useyisukelela-ke njena u-Uber driver. Uyabo, ngibona ngathi ijele nje liyambiza, khona lento angayigezanga. Kodwa-ke u-Uber driver-ke usafe, azange azalimale, kanti futhi-ke nosisi azange azalimale. Kodwa kusisi fanele achaze kahle ukuthi bekuyisoka lakho yini kanti wena leli yini ndaba uJub Jub upresenter kwa uyajola 99 acabanga ukuthi uyajola, because phela udila nemjolo lo muntu. Ngenze ukuthi ngempela nje uvele wathi smell it ukuthi kuyajolwa la. Niyayibona lento engisho. Wenzeke njalo ngoJub Jub. U-MT-ke bakithi, u-MT recently uye wasika ama-dreads akhe. Abantu bebefuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekani ngama-dreads ka-MT. Wabachazela ukuthi hayibo bengingena choice, I had to cut ama-dreads ami ngoba unkosikazi wami wangiquntula ama-dreads awu-4. Niyazi ukuthi vele u-MT ube nama-dreads awu-10. So uma ngabe unkosikazi esenqampula awu-4 kusho ukuthi usesele nama-dreads awu-6 ekhanda. Uyabona nje nawe akusayenzi sense. Wahamba wayogunda wamuhle futhi u-MT. Uyabona kwangathi hawu bantu kanti umfana lona nje kuyaphileka. Uyabona. Hhayi-ke nini wabhala laphana inkankankana engaka yepost ukuthi yena unkosikazi wakhe wamnqampula ama-dreads besides ukumnqampula ama-dreads futhi unkosikazi wakhe nje uyamhlukumeza kodwa abantu abafuni ukumlalela mebatshela ukuthi unkosikazi uyamhlukumeza. Okay. Now-ke kuleso story leso sokuhlukunyezwa angithi ukhuluma ngonkosikazi wakhe usekhohliwe lona u-MT ukuthi phela kune-protection order against him. I-protection order yayikhishela ukuthi angakhulumi ngonkosikazi wakhe, angaphosti ngonkosikazi wakhe, angasondeli eduze kukankosikazi wakhe. Ngithi inkosikazi wakhe ngoba they filed for divorce kodwa ngathi divorce ayikafinalized. They filed for divorce, u-MT wamove out of the house. So unkosikazi uyabuka ukuthi hawu le ndoda lena ngempela ayikho serious. Wavela unkosikazi uhamba emaphoyiseni wafika wathi violation of a protection order. Base bethi nkinqi amaphoyisa athi Miranda rights athi elokhuzeni ejele. Wahamba-ke wayobingelela imantshi nayo MT yabo. Futhi ufike washo emantshini athi hayi mantshi I forgot. Inkinga yami bangishaya ngama-avocado. Yabona bangishaya ngama-avocado so ingqondo ibuye yabona. So-ke base bemnika ibheli ka-1,000 rand. So u-MT akaboshelwe the initial cala ngoba the initial thing that had happened, it was alleged ukuthi bethe bexabana nonkosikazi wangena endlini washesha wagijima wathatha ummese efuna ukuhlasela ubhuti kankosikazi. Yabo, initial that was in 2023 aze kuze kube ne-protection order nje izinto ezenzeke ngo-2023 wanenhlanhla ukuthi bangambophisa for lezo zinto eziserious. Yabo, mina bengiquestiona-ke nje kodwa ngoba bebethi u-MT ugijimile wathatha ummese ngathi u-MT kodwa uyakwazi ukugijima bafethu. Ngiyakhumbula ethi they hit me with the avocado man, they hit me with the avocado man. I can't imagine them running. Kodwa-ke lelo cala lenzeka ngo-2023 allegedly. Kwase kuthathwa subsequent to that kwathathwa-ke ilokhuzana i-protection order. Yena akayikuhlonipha i-protection order ubhala ngonkosikazi ku-social media. Wathi unkosikazi hey, mina I will let the police deal with you because yabo. And then-ke that's what happened. Kodwa-ke yena uyitholile ibheli-ke ngoLwesihlanu. Silinda ukuzwa ukuthi uJubJub yena uzoyithola ini ibheli. Kodwa khona ukugeza fanele ageze uJubJub ngoba hayi ngathi uyathanda nje ukukhomitha icala. Ngiyaxakwa nawe ukuthi wena udila nomjolo bese uxakwa wakho umjolo. Hayi angizwa kahle. Anyways, goodbye.